You know that moment when you're editing a video or sketching out a creative project and you think, man, I wish I had the perfect soundtrack for this. Well, what if I told you there are AI platforms out there that can generate custom music, full songs, and even sound effects, all from just a few words? My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I am breaking down 5 of the most impressive AI music generators you can use right now. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. MusicGPT. Let's start with MusicGPT, guys. This platform turns text prompts into full songs in seconds. What makes it special is how simple it is. You describe the mood, choose whether you want lyrics or instrumental, hit submit, and boom, you get 2 original songs based on your description. Check this out. I typed in a pretty simple prompt, a feel-good rock track with heavy pop influence. And this is what I got. Sounds nice. And here's an even simpler one, a rap track with male vocals. The result is genuinely impressive. The variety is incredible, my friends. We're talking upbeat pop, relaxing lo-fi, hard-hitting rap beats, and even sound effects for videos and games. But MusicGPT goes beyond just music, guys. For example, you can generate sound effects in just a minute. Just pick the sound generator tool from the menu, type your prompt, and boom, it's ready. Or you can remix your tracks and songs by using the new remix tool. For example, turn a rap track into a classical one in no time. You can explore thousands of AI tracks made by other users, sorted by genre, mood, and popularity. It's like having endless inspiration at your fingertips. MusicGPT is perfect for musicians looking for inspiration, content creators needing custom background music, complete beginners who want to compose easily, and small businesses creating original music for ads or branding. Plus, it's all web-based, guys. No software installation needed. But here's the kicker. For those who want to use the app on the go, this tool is now also available on mobile. Suno. Next up is Suno. And guys, this platform has found the perfect balance between ease of use and professional quality. The interface is clean and intuitive. You can start creating immediately or dive into advanced options if you want. The quality is honestly impressive, my friends. We're talking tracks that sound like human musicians created them. Suno handles everything from classical to pop to experimental jazz with real sophistication. What's really cool, folks, is how Suno maintains consistency across song sections. It builds proper verses, choruses, and bridges that flow naturally. The AI understands musical theory concepts like key changes and tempo variations. Suno also has great collaboration features, guys. You can share creations, get feedback, and build on other users' tracks. The AI-generated vocals are particularly impressive, clear, expressive, and naturally mixed. Murika. Now let's talk Murika, folks. This newer platform is doing some really interesting things. What caught my attention is its advanced song structure capabilities. While other generators create simple tracks, it understands complex arrangements and proper song development. This platform excels at longer compositions. Need a full 3-minute track with multiple sections and dynamic changes? Murika nails it. The AI understands how musical elements should interact and evolve throughout a song. The software also handles genre blending beautifully. One classical mixed with electronic and world music, it creates sophisticated fusion tracks that feel intentional, not random. The sound quality is top-notch, folks. Professional mixing and mastering with proper stereo spacing and frequency balance. Plus, it handles subtle details like natural instrument articulations that make the music feel more human. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Udio. This tool is absolutely crushing it right now, and it's earned all the attention it's getting. The platform is incredibly versatile, from simple acoustic melodies to complex orchestral arrangements. Udio handles everything with remarkable skill. The user experience is fantastic, guys. The interface is clean, and it understands natural language perfectly. You can say rainy day coffee shop vibes or 80s action movie soundtrack and get exactly what you're imagining. What impresses me most, folks, is how Udio creates emotionally resonant music. It's not just technical, it understands emotional context and creates tracks that genuinely evoke the feelings you want. The platform also nails commercial appeal. If you need music that grabs attention and keeps listeners engaged, Udio understands hooks, memorable melodies, and dynamic arrangements. Everything sounds polished and radio-ready. Beethoven. Finally, we have Beethoven, guys. And this platform is perfect for content creators. It's positioned specifically for custom background music, and honestly, it absolutely excels in this niche. What sets Beethoven apart, folks, is its mood-based approach. Instead of describing genres, you tell it exactly what emotional tone you want. Uplifting but not too energetic, or melancholic with hope, Beethoven nails these emotional concepts. It's incredibly user-friendly, my friends. You don't need musical knowledge. Just know how you want your audience to feel. Beethoven creates background music that supports content without overwhelming it, which is crucial for podcasters and YouTubers. The customization options are excellent. Need 30 seconds? 2 minutes that loops seamlessly? Longer pieces with natural transitions? Beethoven handles it all. Plus, everything comes with full commercial usage rights. No copyright worries. Which should you choose? Here's the thing, guys. All 5 of these tools are absolutely amazing. And honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. Each one brings something incredible to the table and has earned its place in this list. But if I'm being completely honest with you, I personally choose MusicGPT, and here's why. The sheer power and versatility of this platform is just mind-blowing. Think about it, folks. You're not just getting a music generator, you're getting a complete audio creation suite. Music or lyrics, sound effects or spoken text, even file conversion. It's like having an entire production studio in one tool. What really sealed the deal for me is how it handles everything from simple background tracks to complex compositions, plus all those extra features that the other platforms don't offer. The community library is massive, the interface is super intuitive, and the fact that it generates 2 versions of every prompt gives you options to work with. That said, my friends, your choice might be different based on your specific needs. If you're focused purely on sophisticated song structures, Murica might be your pick. If emotional resonance is everything to you, Udio could be perfect. For content creators who only need background music, Beethoven is fantastic. The beautiful thing is, folks, you can try multiple platforms and see what clicks with your workflow. But for pure versatility and power, MusicGPT is my go-to recommendation. Final thoughts. Alright, folks, that wraps up my rundown of 5 super cool AI music tools you can start using today. Whether you're making YouTube videos, working on a short film, producing music, or just want to play around with sounds for fun, there's something in this list for everyone. Seriously, don't just take my word for it. Go try them out. Most of these platforms let you generate a few tracks for free, so it's super easy to test things out and see what fits your style. And hey, I'd love to hear from you guys. Which one are you most excited to try? Or if you've already used one of these before, let me know what your experience was like. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read them all, and I'm always curious to see what you guys are using in your creative workflows. Thanks so much to MusicGPT for sponsoring this video. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.